Hello everyone, very good evening to one and all. Welcome back to the Vijita Rajkumar online classes for all the my dear aspirants. Today I would like to give you some of the important questions in the subject of the chemistry for the bridge course first year students like a BPC and MPC stream. Okay, so already I have completed the botany as well as the zoology and physics also I completed. So this is the last subject. Okay, I'm going to discuss about the some of the important questions as well as the answers in the chemistry. It's clear. So let me see the one by one. So before going to that, whoever watching first time, please watch till the end of my video, like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, and you have to hit the bell icon also. Okay, let me see the one by one, and you have to maintain the running notes and you have to maintain the earphones for clear voice. It's clear. Okay, so let me see the one by one. Okay, first we will discuss about the syllabus of the physics, sorry, syllabus of the chemistry. So how many units are there in chemistry? Okay, how many? Nearly 13 units are there. So not only syllabus, I would like to discuss about the weightage of the marks in the particular unit also. Okay, so let me see. So this is the first unit, atomic structure. In this you may get the 4 marks weightage. Next, coming to the classification of elements and periodicity in properties, like a 4 marks you may get it. Next, third unit is the chemical bonding and molecular structure. You may get the 4 marks weightage from this unit. Next one is states of matter, gases and liquids. 4 marks weightage will be there. Okay, so next coming to them, like a fifth unit. Okay, steo sorry, stoichiometry. Okay, sorry. Okay, stoichiometry you may get the 2 marks weightage from this unit. Next, sixth one is a thermodynamics, 2 marks weightage. So next coming to the seventh unit, sorry, okay, seventh unit. See, seventh unit is the chemical equilibrium and acids and bases, 4 marks weightage. Next coming to the hydrogen and its compounds, 2 marks weightage. And S block elements, alkali and alkaline. So earth metals, group 1 elements you may get the 4 marks weightage. So next coming to the group 2 elements, this is all continuation. Next 10th unit, P block elements, group 13, boron family. So you may get the 2 marks weightage from this unit. Okay, next coming to the 11th unit, P block elements, group 14. Okay, carbon family, 2 marks weightage will be there. Next one is the environmental chemistry. So 2 marks weightage will be there, but even though who are going to cover the 70% syllabus, those students no need to read this unit. Okay, it's clear. So this is a deleted question from the chemistry. It's clear. So next 13th unit, like a organic chemistry, some basic principles and techniques. So you may get the 4 marks weightage will be there. So overall, like a how many units are, so 13 units are there, no? Okay, just wait, ma, I will tell you. So 13 units are there in 13 units. Okay, in 13 units you have the weightage, like a first unit 4 marks, second unit 4 marks weightage, third unit also 4 marks weightage, fourth unit also 4 marks weightage. Next coming to the seventh unit 4 marks weightage. Next ninth unit 4 marks weightage. Next 13th unit also 4 marks weightage will be there. So 4 marks weightage, a little bit concentrate on important questions. It's clear. So let me see the like important questions like a unit wise. Okay, let me see one by one. Okay, this is the first unit. The unit is the atomic structure. Atomic structure, in this unit you may get the 4 marks weightage, like 4 marks weightage, no? So very short answers questions will be there. What are the postulates and Bohr's model of hydrogen atom? Okay, so you have to read the this. I won't give the explanation, but I will give the only important matter only. Like question, answer I will give the particular question. It's clear. So here. It's clear. So next coming to the continuation of the first unit, first question. So try to take the screenshot, then only it's easy for when you're preparing the notes. It's clear, na? So first question is finish. So once again, come to here first question. So next coming to the second question, explain various series of the line spectra in hydrogen atom. Okay, next coming to the what are the evidence of the in favor of dual behavior of electron. Okay, so next coming to the third question continuation. Okay, fourth question continue. Third question continue. Next, coming to the fourth question, like explain the significance L, N, L, M1 and M5 quantum numbers. Next, fifth, define atomic orbitals. Write the shape of S, P, and D orbitals. Okay, next coming to the seven, like a fifth continuation of this answer. Next, continuation. Define R4 principle, Pauli's exclusion principle, and Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. Okay, multiplicity. Okay, this is sixth question now. Okay, Aufbau principles. Okay, but this is a I have given important question, but in this unit, in final examination, I think no question came from this unit. It's clear. Okay. Next, coming to the second unit also cover the marks weightage will be there. The classification of elements and periodicity of properties. Very short answers questions will be there like a 1 mark questions. State modern periodic law. How many groups and periods are present in the long form of the period table? Okay. Okay. Next, coming to the okay. If you want to know, okay, I will show you. So when you will zoom now, it's easy to write you. Okay, next continuation of this one. Okay, but this diagram is not visible, but you try to get the textbook from get the answer from the 10th book also available. You go to the textbook. Next, coming to the write an essay on SPD and F blocks. Okay, P block, S block, P block. Next, coming to the continuation of this one. Next, what is periodic property? How the following properties vary in a group and in a period? Explain atomic radius, electron again, enthalpy. Okay. Okay. Next continuation. Continuation of third question. Okay. Next coming to fourth question. What is periodic property? How the following properties vary in a group and in a period? Explain electronegativity. Okay. So next coming to the fifth question. Why secondary ionization enthalpy is greater than primary immunization enthalpy? Explain it. So next coming to the third unit, chemical bonding and molecular structure. In this unit also you may get the 4 marks weightage will be there. Okay. Explain the formation of okay ionic bond. Okay. Okay. Next coming to the continuation of the first question answer. The second one is what are the factors favorable for the formation of ionic bond? Okay. Lower ionization energy and largest size of the atom. ion with lower charge, caution with the inert gas configuration. Okay, these are all the continuation of the answer. Okay, next coming to the third question. How do you predict the shapes of the following molecules making use of VSEPR theory? Okay. So next coming to the continuation of this answer, third unit. Next. Okay, next. Third unit continuation. Next. Okay, next coming to the continuation of this answer. Okay. Okay, next. Next. So next one is the continuation of third unit, sp3 hybridization. Okay, next one is the explain hybridization involved in sp6 molecules. So this is important question ma, sixth one na, this is important question. Okay, continuation of this answer. 7. What is hydrogen bond? What are the different types of the hydrogen bonds? Give example. 8th question. What is meant by bond order? Calculate the bond order in the following: N2O2. So next coming to the fourth chapter, states of matter, gases and liquids. Okay, in this one more questions. What is ideal gas? Second question, give the values of gas constant in different units. State the Graham's law of diffusion. Fourth question, how many times methane diffuse faster than sulfur dioxide? Next, fifth question, state Dalton's law of partial pressure. Give an equation to calculate the kinetic energy of gas molecules. So next coming to the eighth question, what is Boltzmann's constant? Give its value. What is RMS speed? What is average speed? What is most probable speed? What is surface tension? Write the postulates of the kinetic molecular theory. Okay, this is continuation of answer. Next. Charles law. So continuation of fourth unit. Next, coming to the fifth unit, that is a stoichiometry. Okay, stoichiometry, maybe 2 marks weightage will be there. Okay, how many number of molecules of glucose present in 540 grams of glucose? The empirical formula of a compound is CH2O. Its molecular weight is 90. Calculate the molecular formula of the compound. So next, coming to the continuation of the fifth unit, define the molar mass. What are the DPS of proportional reactions? Fourth unit. Write formulas for the following compounds. Next question. Assign oxidation number to the underlined elements in each of the following species. So next, coming to the continuation of the second question. Define enthalpy of combustion. State has laws of constant heat submission. So next, coming to the last question continuation. Sorry, this already repeated ma, sorry. This is fourth unit now. Already we are discussing fifth unit now. So don't read this papers and all, no need to. Fifth, actually we are discussing. Okay, sorry. This is fifth unit now ma. Okay, fifth unit I finished now. So next, coming to the sixth unit. In sixth unit some of the papers are, okay, some papers are missed ma. Okay, so this is the SEMA, sixth unit already I discussed now. So this is the fifth unit. Once again see fifth unit. Okay, second question. Okay, next to third question continuation. Next to fourth question continuation. Next to sixth one already I told no, sixth question. Next, okay, fifth question continuation, last one. So next, coming to the sixth unit. Sixth unit is a thermodynamics. Thermodynamics. Very short answer questions and short answers questions also will be there. State the first law of thermodynamics. What are intensive and extensive properties? So next, coming to the, so this paper only, this is second unit no, already we have missed no. So see the paper continuation no. Sixth unit, second question continuation, third unit, sorry, third question, fourth question continuation. Okay, next, define entropy, Gibbs energy, fifth. Next, fifth question continuation answer. Sixth, state the second law of thermodynamics. Seventh, state third law of thermodynamics. Okay, next coming to the eighth unit. The eighth unit, sorry, seventh unit. No, seventh unit, chemical equilibrium and basis. Okay, in this very short answers questions will be there and short answers also will be there. Okay, seventh unit, chemical equilibrium and acid basis. In this very short answers, what are homogeneous equilibrium and write to homogeneous reactions. First question answer. Second question, what is heterogeneous equilibrium? Write to heterogeneous reactions. Write the relation between K1 and Kc. Next, fourth question continuation. Discuss the application of the Lee-Charles principle for the industrial synthesis of the ammonia. Next, so next coming to the explain the Arrhenius concepts of acids and bases. What is conjugate acid base pair? Give example. Define pH. pH is very important. So many times they will ask ma pH. Okay. Next question is the continuation of answer. Next, define eighth question. Product of water. Eight, give two examples of salts whose aqueous solutions are basic. Ninth question. Define buffer solution. Give example of acidic buffer and basic buffer solution. So next coming to the continuation of this answer. Okay, so I completed the seventh unit. Next coming to the eighth unit. In the eighth unit, hydrogen and its compounds. Very short answers questions. Define one method of producing high quality hydrogen. Okay, what is hydrogen used in welding of high melting metals? Next, explain the terms hard water and soft water. Sometimes they may ask, this is the important question, this also important question. This one, okay? Next. So next coming to the continuation. What is the chemical substances used in Colgan method? What are the use of the hydrogen fuel? Mention 3 use of H2O in modern times. This is also important question, no? Okay. Write any methods of preparation of H2O2. This is also important question. This one also. This one also important. So next coming to the S block elements. Okay, lithium salts are mostly hydrated by. Okay, third question. Fourth question. This is important. Ma, describe important use of caustic soda. This is important. Okay. So next coming to the continuation of the caustic soda uses. This is important. This one next. Describe the important use of sodium bicarbonate. This is also important question. Okay. Give an account of the biological importance of sodium and potassium ions. Next, what happens when magnesium metal is burnt in air? Lithium carbonate is not so stable so to heat. The other alkali metals carbonates explain. Next continuation of this answer. Why is gypsum added to cement? This is also very important question. Gypsum and all. Why alkali metals are not found in the free state in nature? Describe the importance of plaster of Paris. This is also very important question. So many times they repeatedly it came. Okay. Okay. This one also. Okay. Describe the importance of plaster of Paris. Continuation of plaster of Paris uses. This also important. Give an account of the biological importance of the Ca2 plus Mg2 plus ions. Answer. Next continuation of the 13th, no, 10th unit. The P block elements group 13. Why does BF3 behave as a Lewis acid? Explain inert pair effect. Next, give the formula for borogen. What is common name? Give the formula of borax and colomanite. Next question. Give 2 uses of aluminium. This is also important question. Okay. Explain the next question. Explain the structure of dicarbonate. Next, what are electron deficient compounds? So next coming to the 11th unit, the P block elements group 14. Give the hybridization of carbon in. Why is carbon monoxide poisonous? This is very important question. Okay, this one. Next, what is allotropy? Give the crystalline atrophies of carbon. Next, name any two man-made silicates. This is also important question. Why does graphite function as a lubricant? Graphite is a good conductor. Explain. Next, coming to the what continuation of answer, fifth one. Next, what is synthesis gas? Okay, next, what is synthesis gas? Finish. No. Next, what is producer gas? This is also important question. Okay, this is the important question. Okay, this one. Next, what does carbon dioxide increases the greenhouse effect? This is also important question. So many times it came. Next, write the use of JSM5. What is the use of dry ice? This is also important. Okay. So next coming to the what is diamond hard? Why is diamond hard? This is also important. Okay. So next coming to the 12th unit, that is environmental chemistry. Actually 70% syllabus. Since 70% syllabus, actually 12th unit no need to read. Okay, this unit is deleted, but even the so next year the people students may have the 100% syllabus now. So if it is not useful for you also, next year the students need this unit. So that is the reason I'm providing all the important question in the 12th unit also. It's clear. But who are going to write the 70% syllabus, no need of read this unit. It's clear. Okay, list out 4 gases pollutants in present in a. So what are the greenhouse gases? This is important question. Next, which acids cause acid rain? What is its pH value? This is very important question. Okay, this one important. Chemical equation and all. So next question. Continuation of answer. What is ozone hole? Where was it first observed? This is important question. Define eutrophication of lake. Next. So next coming to the overall the sixth question, what is the importance of green chemistry? Okay. Okay, now I am going to end of the 12th unit. Now I am going to start the like this is the last unit, organic chemistry, some basic principles and techniques and hydrocarbons. Okay, very short answers. Okay, what is nitrobenzene prepared? What is IUPAC name of? Okay, fourth question. Next fifth question. Sixth question. Seventh question. Give two examples each for position functional isomerism. How is ethylene prepared from ethyl alcohol? Write the reaction. Discuss two methods of preparation of ethane. Give any three reactions of ethane. Okay. Chemical properties of ethane. Next, coming to the ninth question continuation. So next coming 10th question. So next, describe any methods of preparation of benzene. Write equations. So next. Okay. So I finished overall the syllabus of the chemistry. Not only syllabus, weightage of marks, important questions with answers, and everything I explained in the subject of the chemistry for the MPC as well as BPC stream students who are going to write the bridge course examinations and all. Okay. So I completed the overall the bridge course material for the first year students like a botany I finished, physics finished, zoology also finished. Now I am going to end up the chemistry also. And one more I would like to discuss. I would like to tell one thing. Already I have given the important question, weightage of marks and everything. Not only this important question syllabus, I have given along with important questions. I have given the model question paper for the in the bridge course examination. Physics, like a botany, zoology, I finished. So now so tomorrow I will try to give the model question paper in the subject of the physical sciences like a physics and chemistry. I would like so tomorrow I maybe finish the overall the bridge course material like it may be syllabus and important questions, weightage of marks, model question paper, everything I will be going to conclude the tomorrow. It's clear? Okay, so thanks for watching my channel. Have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.